Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove background from your image. It's very important that you understand how to work on your image before you start designing with it. There are some image you want to use, they have background or they currently have an existing background, and you have to remove it before you use it in your pixel app. Now ensure that your data is on, and you're going to go to your your Play Store with me. Click on your Play Store, and the app we're going to be using is called Photo Room. Now check the Photo Room app. Photo Room. Now it's showing update here. I don't know if I should update it or I should, but I have it on my phone already, so you can install yours from your Play Store. I think it's only for Android phone users, so I'm not sure if you're using an iPhone you can have that app. I'm not sure if it's available on iPhone. So you're going to go to your Play Store, your Photo Room, and when you get to your Photo Room, you wait for it to open. And now for a start, let me just make you aware I'm using the pro version of this app, so there are some things you're not going to have access to if you're not using the pro version, but I'm still going to show you how to use it to be able to work on. Now when you click on it, you put in your details and sign in. When you're done with that, when you basically want to remove your image, the background of your image, you click on start from photo, and let me see if there's a so let's say I'm using this particular one. When you click on it, you wait for it to load. So when it's done loading, you're going to be seeing suggested edits. You're going to see studio shot, resize. You don't need all of those things. You want to remove the background. So what you will do, under classics, you're going to see white, black. When you click on white, it's going to be showing you a white background. When you click on black, black background. But then you're going to click on transparent, and you wait for it. So when you click on transparent, you're going to be seeing it. The background is gone. You're not seeing it there anymore. From here now, you can download it and then you're able to use it. Now the thing about Photo Room is it helps you retain the quality of your image, or the images you want to remove the background from. There are other apps or websites that when you use, it reduces the quality, so your image will be looking blurry, or it blurs the surface of your image, so it won't be looking very sharp. But when you use Photo Room, it helps you to retain the image, even when it also helps you to remove the background. Now I made mention the other time that I'm using the pro version. If you're not using the pro version of this app, you're going to be seeing the app watermark on all the Photo Room logo. It's called watermark beside your image here. And the only way to make sure that you take it off is to click on your image, double click on it, and then you move it from that part where it is having that watermark. You can even reduce it, and you make sure that it's not bent. Sorry, this one is showing bent already. I don't want it to be bent. So sometimes it will require you to move it up left just to ensure that that watermark space is not there. So when you want to import it on your pixel app to design, you can easily clean the watermark from there, and then you go with your. Now the next thing you can do here now is to click on export. You click on export, or you will see download icon. For some people it will show a download icon at the top, but for some it's going to be showing export like this. So you click on it, and then you save your image. Now it has exported to your gallery, so from there you can now pick it to be able to design whatever design you want to work on, or whatever flyer you want to work on. So this is how to remove the background of your image. It's very simple, it's very stressless, and it helps you retain the quality of your image with Photoroom. And for those that are joining my class, I'm going to be giving you the app, a pro version of the app for free. I'm using it and I can give you for free. That's for those that are joining my graphic design train up course. It's actually coming up very soon, so stay tuned. I'm going to be notifying us and dropping for us content that shows when the course is ready. It's going to be very, very amazing. Ensure that you invite your friends, share this video, let it get to your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned because I'm going to be uploading so many content about graphic design starting from this moment, and it's going to be back to back. You don't want to miss it, trust me, you don't want to miss it. So stay tuned, and I'm going to be seeing you again in the next video. Thank you so much.